In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an e-invoice using Zoho Books, a user-friendly cloud accounting software that many businesses rely on for managing finances efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a new user, understanding this process will simplify your billing tasks and ensure compliance with tax regulations. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and type in the web address for Zoho Books, or search for it if you're unsure about the exact URL. Once you're on the website, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you haven't logged in before, look out for any prompts to enter your email and password. Remember to use strong, unique passwords to keep your account secure. Once you've logged into Zoho Books, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which displays a summary of your financial activities. From here, navigate to the Sales section in the left-hand menu. Clicking on Sales will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll choose Invoices. This is where you manage all your invoicing needs. In the Invoices section, you'll see an option to create a new invoice. Click on New Invoice to begin the e-invoice creation process. As you prepare to generate an e-invoice, you're contributing towards a more streamlined and environmentally friendly billing system, which is a great step forward. Next, you'll need to choose the option to generate an e-invoice. This step is crucial because it transitions your standard invoice into a digital format recognizable by the tax authorities. Keep an eye out for the e-invoice option to ensure you're following the correct procedure. Filling in your invoice details is the next step. You'll have to input all the necessary GST and IRP specific details. This information is critical for ensuring compliance with government regulations. Pay close attention here, as errors might lead to compliance issues or delay the processing of your invoice. Double-check each field for accuracy as you type. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time to submit your invoice to the Invoice Registration Portal, commonly referred to as IRP. This submission sends your invoice data to the government's portal for approval, ensuring that your e-invoice is validated and ready for business transactions. After submission, you'll receive confirmation from IRP, and the portal will provide you with a signed version of your e-invoice. Download this signed e-invoice to your computer. You're almost at the finish line. The downloaded file will typically have a digital signature that signifies its authenticity. Lastly, with your invoice signed and ready, share it with your customer. You can send it via email or through any other preferred communication channel they might use. Sharing this document promptly goes a long way in strengthening your business relationship by keeping communication clear and timely. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to create and send an e-invoice using Zoho Books. Following these steps will make your invoicing process efficient while maintaining compliance with tax regulations. Thanks for watching.